You can consume a tiny, tiny bit of fentanyl and die immediately from it. Only by going back to the source can you get certain insights that you need to disrupt the supply chain.
It's the deadliest drug crisis in American history.
The worst drug situation in our country in decades, if not a century.
The CDC says more than 500,000 people died from an overdose involving opioids.
If you go after this problem on a piece-by-piece basis, like one network at a time, it's just like mushrooms after the rain. You just eliminate one and others pop up. We are looking at tens of thousands of websites that are advertising fentanyl and nitazines for sale in the United States. We are also finding thousands of companies that are producing these chemicals in China and exporting them. The common wisdom in how to go after illicit activity is follow the money. But if you don't know who is generating the ads, then you can't follow the money. So therefore you want to focus on key nodes. But how do you know who are the key actors unless you do the data analytics, as we're doing, and see which companies are most interconnected to other companies? And that then gives you a sense of where you need to prioritize resources. Understanding illicit supply chains lets you know what you should do, where you allocate resources, and where you can have most impact in cutting off these devastating supply chains. One of the ways of having large-scale databases is that it allows you to follow the money much more effectively. And taking the financial incentive out of it is a very important way of going after the criminal activity. How do you connect the information that's in these websites? How do you know that they have similar addresses or similar telephone numbers? That's what AI helps us do, is to do very large-scale data analytics very, very quickly. It's just an amazing experience of understanding how this can be used by people to save lives, not by just injecting people with Narcan, but making sure that these pernicious chemicals don't reach and destroy our citizens and our communities.